Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making a lovely spinach salad. I'll show you how easy it is to make. This video was supposed to be a short, but I thought I'd do a regular video with spinach salad. Okay, so we got some lovely spinach. So we're gonna toss some spinach into a bowl. Toss a whole bunch of stuff in. Okay, some apples, mushrooms, a very healthy salad. Okay, some onions, tomatoes. Oh yeah, I'll throw all the tomatoes in there, and some diced yellow peppers. Toss those in there. Vegetarian salad. It won't be vegan. Nice. We got some eggs, hard-boiled eggs. Peel them up. And if you don't know how to do hard-boiled eggs, check out the video just up in the corner there. Very good way to do hard-boiled eggs. What I do to make sure I got all the shells off, we give it a little rinse, and all those lovely shells are off the egg. Peeled a little better than the first. Oh, good. Chop our eggs. Oh, nice hard-boiled eggs. Perfect. Make sure there's no shells in there. Should we get all those shells out of there? Can I cut the egg in quarters and then chop them up? Lovely protein for our salad. Look at how colorful. Now I'm not fussy when it comes to cheese, so you can use any type of cheese you want for a spinach salad. I got some Tex-Mex. Okay, use a little bit of that. No problem. Traditionally, you can use feta or you can use goat cheese or whatever cheese you like is good for dressing. Got this lovely honey dill. Very good stuff. Okay. I will do more salads and I will make dressings, but this time I wanted to just use one. It's fine too. There we go. Hopefully that's not too much dressing. I like dressing. Okay. All we're going to do is, yeah, that was a little bit too much. Mix up spinach and veggies. Go a little easier on the dressing. Add more spinach. Yeah, just mix it up. And that's what easy is to make a lovely spinach salad. Show you how we serve. Make sure we get all the goodness in there. Apples, tomatoes, and cheese and everything. An egg, mushrooms. Give our spinach salad a try. Try to get everything in there. Super tasty spinach salad. Healthy spinach salad. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love you, and do make some healthy spinach salad. Spinach salad. This is my dinner. Bye.